Where do these Chinese mini skid steers come from? Where are they made? Who really makes them? All these companies say they're the manufacturer, but who is the manufacturer? Where do they come from? I had so many questions, and I'm about to answer some of these questions for you right now in this video. So when I was first looking for one of these mini skid steers, I was online and I talked to various companies. One of the companies I talked to, they said they're the manufacturer. They make these machines. I wanted this specific machine, and it's pretty recognizable with the design down here on the side. And as I was talking to the representative from this company, a guy named Jake Nicholson on Facebook hit me up and said, "Hey, that's not the manufacturer. I know who the manufacturer is. Let me put you in touch with this guy." Said they're made by a company called Direct. So Jake Nicholson has a Facebook group that he runs, Chinese excavator owners. I'll put a link to it down here in the description. And they help people buy these machines, excavators, mini skid steers, all that, from manufacturers in China. And the whole group is full of people who have purchased before and had good experiences. Some bad experiences, and they share those too. So if you want some information, you're looking for some various machines, they have some pretty good info there. So anyway, he puts me in touch with a guy, Dean's son at Direct. And Dean claims he's the manufacturer. So I said, well, how do I know? So Dean, he's given me multiple videos throughout the whole process, but I'm going to share one with you right now of his factory. He starts in his office and walks his way through, and he shows from welding, the fabrication, the assembly, and then the final ready line. So come with me. We're going to tour Direct's factory that makes mini skid steers in Shandong, China.
Hello, Gregory. This is Dean from Shandong Direct Machinery Company. It's our department sales office. It's our colleague. We are working now. And this is our order. Now, I will introduce our workshop. This is the first workshop. Measuring the golf car and the a little bigger excavator over the 6 tons. Follow me. This is our conference room.
So we're about to go out and see the factory floor.
Follow me.
The first building we're in, you're going to see all the golf carts. They make golf carts too.
Yeah, this is my first workshop. First workshop produces the golf cars and the bigger excavator over the 6 tons. Yes, and the work is assembling the cars. Yeah, this is a finished car. We're handsome. We're beautiful.
Would be cool to cruise the neighborhood in. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. And I mainly introduce my second workshop. The second workshop is mainly produce a skid steer loader. Yeah, let's see. Many finished products.
There's some big excavators. See the size of those things? Those were not minis. 6 ton and bigger. What we're concerned about is in this next building. Over here, this is where the skid steers are. You can hear them grinding and welding in this building we're about to walk into. I've never seen anything like this. So to me, this stuff's really cool.
Yeah, this is our second workshop. And the worker is a welding. Is a welding workshop. Look at the details. The weld. Yeah. The weld. We are well careful in the weld. To make it work strong.
They actually weld everything up here in-house.
Yeah.
Recognize that green floor from some of the other videos?
And the worker is welding. And this is a band and a driving. Band and driving. And it's a big arm.
It is a big arm.
For the skid steer loader. This is a basic frame. Yeah, look at all the details.
Check these things out all welded together. They just welded them up. They haven't been sent to powder coat yet.
Okay. The weld, everywhere, the weld, to make it stronger.
I gotta say, he's got a solid welder over there. They know what they're doing.
Yeah. The big arm for the skid steer loader. Yeah. It's a small part to compare the whole loader. Oh, it's our 320. Will be shipped in few days. This is white color is very
The
beautiful.
DRT 320. It's the little baby,
right.
the baby skid steer.
This is the smallest the type of loader 320. And the yellow color. And this is the 380. The wear tap.
Check out that Honda motor on that
It's
thing.
very beautiful.
That's a beast of a motor for that little tiny machine.
Yeah. The hose is very working. And seriously, we have 3 pumps. Look at our material brush. Yeah.
That 25 horse Honda with 3 pumps in that baby machine. Is it overpowered? I don't know. Maybe kind of like a Shelby Cobra or a Viper to mini skid steers.
And it's our V1000 design. Similar to the Bobcat MT100 and the Kubota SDR 1000. Look at the details. Yeah, it's very. Well, his weight is 900 millimeter.
It's 35.5 inches wide. Fit right through gates and backyards with a Kubota diesel. It's a beast.
Every part has been painted from the other factory. Yeah.
It's actually powder coated, not painted.
Yeah, this is our assembly line. The working assembly, the loader.
What's up, guys?
everybody. Look at this. And look at the GPU. The view is the harder control from Atlan. Yes. And the Kubota integer. Kubota. Yeah.
That's the real deal.
Sorry. From the Japan. Kubota.
Let me zoom in on that for you.
Yes.
Stack of them.
And we have many stock integer. And this is our production line. Yeah. The work is very busy every day.
I want to see how they lift them and put them on those stands.
I like this green. The green color. I think is that is the quarter cup. Yeah, this is a small loader and this is a one sound. Yeah.
The gray or the black? I was debating those, but I decided to go with the green. I thought the green popped a little better. Honestly, the green looks better for thumbnails.
The small parts.
How do they keep all those parts organized?
This is the oven tank. This is design tank. Everybody. Yes.
Wonder how many square feet this warehouse is. Warehouse,
Loader.
factory. It's huge.
About 60. Yeah.
Wouldn't you like to have a crate full of all these machines shipped over here to your place? Me too.
Many. We can produce all kind of the loaders. And this loader has been shipped in the few days. Yeah. Okay. And we can produce attachment of the loader. This is a sweeper. This is a breaker. And many attachment, the grabber. The wood chipper. And the sand. Yes. And 4-in-1 bucket. And brush cutter. Grader stammer. Yes. We have the good quality for every attachment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Great. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Yes. Okay, thank you. Great. Bye. Thank you.
I thought that tour was really cool. I've not seen anything like that before, and I've been wondering where these machines are really made and what they look like. So upcoming, I have another factory tour. So that factory tour was on Duret's DRT 320, DRT 380, and the V1000. But my machine is a DRT 450. And there's another factory that Dean's not as proud of because it's a older facility. But in that one, they've got the laser cutting machine that actually cuts all the chunks of steel out. And it also has that's where they make all the attachments. So you'll be able to see all the attachments being made, as well as the machine running, cutting out all of these big plates of steel. I guess it's like a CNC plasma. Not quite sure, but it's awesome. And so next video I'm gonna upload will be of that factory, and we'll be able to see my machine and machines like it being made. I also have a bunch more content coming on all my attachments. So I have tested the trencher, and I can't wait to show you guys that. This brush cutter, I've used this a bunch, and I can't wait to show you that one too. The 4-in-1 bucket, I'm an idiot, and I rammed something into the fitting, and I ended up breaking this hydraulic line off. So I need to replace that. That was completely me and my stupidity. The auger, I'm gonna be doing some work with that. We're gonna test that one out. The stump grinder, I'm pretty excited to see what that stump grinder will do. I haven't had the opportunity to really use it. The pallet forks are great. The pallet forks actually the attachment I used the most so far. And then what else do we have? The bucket, we're gonna do a bunch of work on my driveway here and a bunch of other things out at our property. We're gonna use that. And then the grapple, I've got a bunch of logs to move. We're gonna test that thing out. And I've got a whole bunch of rocks and boulders and things we wanna move. And the trailer hitch attachment is also amazing. So as we go, I'm gonna review all these things and see if they're worth buying. Do you really wanna buy this stuff? Do you not wanna buy this stuff? I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe if you can. Just click the little button. It's easy. And then besides that, if you want to check out where I got my machine, talk to Dean, want to get on the Facebook group, there's a whole bunch of them out there that are really helpful. Yeah, do that. And we'll see you then. We'll see you next time. Enjoy your life in the trees.